Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by getting the tools you need. Install Python 3. 11 or later and make sure Python version returns the expected version. Once done, set path so commands run from a terminal. Next, pick an editor, VS Code or PyCharm Speeds Development. A simple editor works too. Create a project folder and open it. Finally, initialize a virtual environment with Python mvenv so dependencies stay isolated. This prevents package conflict as you progress. Once the virtual environment is active, install necessary libraries using pip and pin versions and requirements. TXT so installs are reproducible. You should structure code into modules and keep functions small. This improves readability and testing. Write basic unit tests with Unitest or Pytest and run them frequently to catch regressions early. Make sure to use a linter and formatter, Flake 8 and Black, to maintain consistent style. This saves time during reviews and reduces bugs caused by sloppy formatting. You finish by freezing dependencies and committing your code into version control. Tag a release when ready. Then build or package as needed, wheel or installer, or deploy to your chosen environment. If something breaks, reproduce the issue locally, confirm the virtual environment is activated and the correct Python version is used, and read the stack trace to pinpoint the failing module. Make sure to add logging and run tests after fixes, because verifying behavior prevents regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.